Hi, Rev Ray here to talk about denials and affirmations. And how you have probably had a persistent thought that's not very helpful, like I have, sort of like a tube whacking you on the head. And it keeps saying things like, you're not enough, or there's not enough, or you're not smart, or whatever it is, right? And so the first step to change our thoughts and to use our denials and affirmations is to acknowledge. We turn and acknowledge the situation that's happening. We take hold of it. We say, oh, I see that I'm having this persistent thought that's not helpful. And then we use our denial to throw it down. You say, no. You say, this is not the truth. Lack is not real. And then you step forward. You take a step over that thought into the truth of who you are, which is abundance, which is knowing the abundance in the universe. It doesn't matter that your bank account may say something different. That is situational, not big truth of the universe. Now, you may have to take actual steps to do something about the bank account balance, but that doesn't mean that you don't acknowledge from the truth of you that we live in an abundant universe and that your good is coming to you from known and unknown sources. A step into that instead of this persistent thought that there's not enough. And that's how to use denials and affirmations in your life. First, acknowledge the situation. Notice what's going on. Then deny that it has any real or permanence in your situation. And then step boldly into your capital T truth of abundance, of wisdom, of joy, of love, etc., etc., etc. The truth of who you are.